Hello, welcome to Python code series. So in this video I'm going to discuss a piece of code which is using for loop. So this code is, you should try this code in Colab first. So in this code in this for loop we have this num, which is a variable, and this is my array. This range actually is array. So this range command will create an array. So this is starting element and this is my ending element. So this is actually exclusive. So this array will not include the last element. So my array will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will not be there. So the number of iteration for this loop is equal to the number of elements in the array. So number of iteration is equals to the length of the array, which is 6. So initially it will take, for a first iteration number 1, the num will take value 1, the first element of this array. So num will take value 1 and it will come to the second statement. So in this statement, this is a conditional statement. So 1 is equal to 3. This is false. This is false. So this block will not work. It will come to this else part, and it will print value of num, which is 1. Now the control will go to here. Now it will, the num in the second iteration, num will take value 2, and according to this condition, this 2 is equal to 3 is false. So this will not work. It will come to this else part and it will print 2. Now again the control will go to the for loop and num will take value 3. For the third iteration, it will take value 3 and it will come to the condition. This condition, it will check this condition, 3 equal to 3. This is false. No, this is true. So this is true. So this part will run. So it will break the for loop and this will be the output. Thanks.